Hello, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today I'll show you guys how to buy Newinu token on Trustwallet. First of all, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to do it. So first of all, go to CoinMarketCap, see the analytics of this coin and decide you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then you can close browser, go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, just download it from Google Play or App Store. After you download and make an account, and after you go through verification, then you can open Trustwallet. Now we should click the apps and we should see Uniswap. Click Uniswap. Connect to your Trustwallet account, and then we need to copy the contract address of Newinu token. When you go to CoinMarketCap and click the search bar, here you type Newinu, open this coin, and here will be contract address. We should copy it by clicking the copy icon, then close browser and go to Trustwallet again. Then click select the token, paste the copied contract address here, click import, and then choose amount of this new token, and then swap your Ethereum to it. So this was all, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.